Okay, we're rolling here. What do you got there, Ben?
Coconut oil to put in my pancakes.
Yeah, because that's a healthy alternative to butter or any other kind of oil, right?
You need this stuff. You need oil. Or you need oil.
What happens if you don't have oil?
The pancakes will stick.
Oh, my pancakes will stick. So here's your finished batter, hey?
Oh. Yep, I just need to get some oil. Okay.
Got the strawberries mixed in there.
Pretty much the reason coconut oil was invented, it was to help with pancakes.
Is that a fact?
Oh, very fact.
Benny fact. We hope we don't have any fact checkers here. Hope this isn't fake news. Okay, so you're gonna let that melt. Where's your big?
I melted around.
Where's your big spoon? Didn't I give it to you?
No.
Oh.
It's kind of big. This is how a tablespoon is. My dad's normal tablespoon.
Okay, he's gonna scoop it up. It's really quite thick, so it's not like a watery pancake mix.
Oh, my laundry, like my
Okay, so here we have it cooking.
like my
Benny's got it in the pan. It's a little thick, but I mean it's good. It's a healthy, thick pancake. So we'll see how it tastes.